I gotta work in 30 minutes. I got nothing to eat. I'm starving. I'm way too lazy to go to the grocery store. I sure as hell ain't going to a restaurant to spend money. Doorbell. With the new quick and easy meal plan from Sunbasket, you get fresh ingredients and super speedy 15-minute meals delivered straight to your door. Can't hate that. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of $20 Chef. All right, today's episode, I'm super lazy, okay? I don't have shit in my refrigerator. I don't feel like going to the grocery store. Maybe you gotta work in 30 minutes. You just don't have the time, but you're hungry. But I don't have to worry about going to the grocery store. And I don't have to worry about my refrigerator being empty because I'm a part of the new quick and easy meal plan with Sunbasket. Look, they're delivering the fresh ingredients, okay? And the high quality, deliciously fresh proteins right to your door. We have the shrimp and glass noodle salad. We got a little chicken cacciatore and a little steak fajita lettuce wraps. I mean, those are quality meals. I'm gonna save the cacciatore for later. I'm gonna hit up these lettuce wraps tomorrow. So today I'm gonna go ahead and roll the shrimp and glass noodle salad, all right? Let me grab my other proteins that I'm not using, put it all away. All right, so let's say this is the first time you've ever stepped foot in the kitchen and you don't know what the hell you're doing. You don't have to worry about it, okay? Sunbasket's giving you all the instructions, bro. Okay, you can't mess this up. They have everything here, every step, every picture, everything, bro. Everything is right here. The most novice-y of novices can put this together, all right? So obviously we're gonna be making ourselves a nice little shrimp and glass noodle salad. We got some nice little onion here, green onion, a little cilantro, organic apple, and some cabbage. All right, boom. Don't forget, we got some chili flakes, and obviously the dressing. Everything you need right there, ready to rock and roll for a quick style lunch. We're making moves, okay? All right, first things first, glass noodles going into the water. This is basic as life is getting. You making noodles, bro. Look at them glass noodles. Go right into the water there. Let them do what they do. All right, we're gonna let them cook down. In the meantime, we're gonna wash our shrimp. Give her a little rinse here. You know, I'm a big fan of this shrimp. We're talking straight organic, high quality proteins. You know, that's what Sunbasket does. All right, we're gonna pat dry our shrimp here. Now, I'm not smart and I'm not sure why I'm doing this. I'm guessing it's something to do with the water being cooked in with the oil, but hey, listen, the book told me to do it, I'm doing it. Let's go ahead and get a little salt and pepper on these guys. So next thing you know, we're gonna start our apple. Cut the apple up. Boom. You out here to see, look at you, man. Look at you out here living your best life, just eating salads with apples in them at home. I cut this up like matchsticks. All right, let's put our shrimp in. Wash your plate off. Here, look, no cross-contamination here, guys. Just ready to prove to the internet that I'm not poisoning myself. Checking your noodles. A few more minutes on these guys. Remember, your shrimp's only in for 2 minutes, so a couple of minutes, you know? Maybe 3-4 minutes max. Let's see what the book says. 1 to 2 minutes per side, all right? We're looking at 4 minutes here. A little more salt, because it feels like the right thing to do. I'm gonna go ahead and get these scallions ready to rock. Cut them at an angle, bro. Pretend like you work in a restaurant, okay? We're cutting at angles around here. One time I was at an Asian restaurant. I got a little bit lit. Next thing I know, I'm on one of them big-ass 12-foot horses out front of P.F. Chang's talking about who's your daddy. It turns out that if you have a good attorney, you don't have to pay like $600 fine for that and time served. So that's not bad. All right, look at you. You're almost there. Your time management skills, you're trying to step it up a little bit. All right? You didn't have time for the grocery store. You had a 15, 20-minute window. You and Sunbasket teaming up to streamline your life so you don't have to go to work hungry. You don't have to go to the grocery store if you don't feel like it. I'm just trimming up this cilantro. Our shrimp's done. Let's cut that off. Noodles are definitely done. Here we go. Oh, damn! Burned myself. Smartest guy in town. All right, that's because these glass noodles are super glassy. I just cut myself with the heat of the smoke. All right, so I add a little olive oil. Throw in your dressing. Boom. We're gonna throw a little salt and pepper in there. Now, let's see, go ahead and throw in your apple, your cilantro, throw in your scallions, get the cabbage in there, get your glass noodles, get everybody in there, we're mixing it up. Should have picked a bigger bowl. Again, I'm really bad with measuring shit, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to a bigger bowl to make it easier to mix. All right, last but not least, we're gonna throw our shrimp right in there. Boom. Now start mix all that goodness around. Quick and easy, look at this sweet ass meal. Let's go ahead and plate her up. Get these noodles going in the bottom here. Go right on top, look at that sweet mix right there. All that delicious shrimp, it smells really good. That dressing, the cilantro. All I got left to do is sprinkle this sweet, sweet chili flake on top. Whether this is a time management thing for you or you just trying to eat better. You know, they got paleo, they got gluten-free, lean and clean, vegan. I mean, look, you can eat your kind of healthy with Sunbasket, all right? Hey, right now, get $35 off your first order at Sunbasket when you go to sunbasket.com/indie. That's $35 off your first order if you go to sunbasket.com/indie right now. Big fan of glass noodles.